Good morning students. Today we have to study about the polynuclear aromatic compounds. Before study about this, we have to learn about some important topics. First one is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. What are aromatic compounds? You know that the compounds which contains at least one benzene ring in them are called aromatic compounds. The structure of benzene is like this. Okay. The compounds which contain at least one benzene ring in them are called aromatic compounds. Then we go for the study of polynuclear aromatic compound. The definition of polynuclear aromatic compounds are polynuclear aromatic compounds fused or condensed aromatic hydrocarbons contains more than two rings and have two carbon atom shared by two or more aromatic rings are called polynuclear aromatic compounds. Example for polynuclear aromatic compounds are naphthalene, anthracene, etc. The structure of naphthalene is like this. Here, one double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Alternative double and single bonds are present. Here, two benzene rings fused together to form naphthalene compound. Like this, in anthracene, three benzene rings fused together to form naphthalene compound. Here also alternative double and single bonds are present. Okay. Polynuclear aromatic compounds in which aromatic compounds, polynuclear aromatic compound definitions and example for polynuclear aromatic compounds are naphthalene. The structure of naphthalene is like this, and anthracene, the structure of anthracene is like this. Next, we go for study of electrophilic substitution reaction in naphthalene. This is the structure of naphthalene. According to your syllabus, we have to study about the electrophilic and nucleophilic study of naphthalene. Okay. The structure of naphthalene is like this, and numbering starts from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this, we have to number the naphthalene compound. Now we go for study of electrophilic substitution reaction of naphthalene. Electrophilic substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? We know that have to take an example. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. It gives CH3Cl, methyl chloride plus HCl. Here, in substrate, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom. It gives methyl chloride. This is called substitution reaction. The general form of substitution reaction is the one or more surrounding atoms from the substrate is replaced by reagent to give a product. Okay. Next, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. The electrophiles which creates the substitution reaction are called electrophilic substitution reaction. Example for electrophiles are NO2 plus, Cl plus, sulfonium ion. Those are all the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we have to go for study of electrophilic substitution reaction in naphthalene. Naphthalene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at position 1 and position 2 also. Now we have to go for that. Naphthalene reacts with electrophile at position 1. Here the double bonded electron moves towards the electrophile. It forms the intermediate is like this. Already hydrogen is present here, you know. This carbon atom, second carbon atom shows positive charge because here the electron moves towards the electrophile, it attracts, so it loses the electron, shows deficiency of electron, creates the positive charge. Then again it undergoes resonance, it forms like this. Here this double bond moves, this side it forms. Here this carbon atom shows the positive charge. These two are the intermediates, okay, and also called as more stable intermediate because it shows the number of resonance structures. Finally, it releases electrons to here, then it moves again here. It loses hydrogen ion, it forms one substituted product. Position 1 substituted product. At the second position, at the second position, at C2, it reacts with electrophile. Electron cloud moves towards the electrophile. It forms hydrogen atom already exists, electrophiles comes here. Then here it shows the positive charge because deficiency of electron, it shows the positive charge. This is also a intermediate and less stable intermediate. Finally, hydrogen gives this bond here and it eliminates and gives the product is two substituted product. two substituted product. Between these two, first product is the more stable product. So now we are going to study about the electrophilic substitution reaction of naphthalene. We can get the product most probably at one substituted product. Now we can take the example is nitration of naphthalene. First one is nitration. For nitration, we have to use the nitrating mixture. What is nitrating mixture? Combination of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid are called nitrating mixture. When naphthalene reacts with concentrated nitric acid, naphthalene reacts with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius. It gives the product one nitro naphthalene. See, naphthalene reacts with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius. It gives one nitro naphthalene product. Okay.